Christmas giveaway video. Oh yeah. Hello and thanks for joining me on my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a giveaway. Thank you for Crude Diesel for sponsoring this video. But we're doing a giveaway. We're going to be doing a random comment drawing on January 1st. The winner will receive a set of these brand new hoses for the high pressure oil pump. This is for the 99 to 03, 99 to 03 73. All you have to do is hit the subscribe button, hit the like button, and leave a comment. 3 simple steps. You can get yourself a new set of hoses. Very simple. Hey, good luck to everybody, and I hope you have a safe and Merry Christmas.